Club Leabhar.
Tróna dé sathair na bhí ann. Bhí na cailíní ideach hana. Bhí siad ag caint faoi leabhar nua. Is bralam an leabhar sin? Cén fá? Is málam na character? Is bralam an leabhar freisin? Cén fá? Tá sé an granmhar.
Ceistena. Ceist a héan. Cén lá a bhí an. Ceist a dó. An raibh na cailíní ag spree. Ceist a trí. An maith le hana an leabhar. Ceist a ceathair. An raibh sé granúr.
Right, so Club Leabhar means the book club. So it's Tróna dé sathair na bhí ann. Tróna means the afternoon. Nona looks like noon. Tróna dé Saturn, so it was Saturday afternoon. Bhí na cailín ideach hana. The girls were, V means were or was, ideach hana, in Hannah's house. Bhí siad ag caint. They were ag caint as talking faoi leabhar nua, about new books. Is bralum an leabhar sin? I love this book, said Hannah. Cén fá, said the other girl. Is matlum na character? I like the characters. And then the other girl says, is bralum an leabhar freisin? I love that book. Freisin means too. And then Hannah says, cén fá. Kate says, tá sé an granmhar. It is very funny. Now, what I'd like you to do is do these questions, and then you can pause the video and check if you've got them correct afterwards. Okay, so hopefully you've got on okay, and now you can correct your answers. So, cén lá a bhí ann, what day was it? And we start off with Tróna dé Saturn a bhí ann. So it was the afternoon of Saturday. Question 2. An raibh na cailín ag spree. So there's two answers to an raibh. An raibh means were or was in a question. So were the cailíns, were the girls playing? And you can either answer it bhí na cailín ag spree or ní raibh na cailín ag spree. Okay, so it's bhí and ní raibh. And the answer is, of course, ní raibh na cailín ag spree. But what were they doing? Bhí siad ag caint faoi leabhar nua. They were talking about a new book. Question 3. An maith le hana an leabhar. So an maith, does Hannah like, an maith is like, does Hannah like the book an leabhar? Is maith or ní maith are the two different answers you can give there. So the answer is, of course, is maith le hana an leabhar. Now you could also say is bra le hana an leabhar, which means she really likes it. And question 4, an raibh sé granmhar. Was it funny? You can either say, so the two answers to an raibh are bhí and ní raibh. So bhí sé granmhar or ní raibh sé granmhar. The answer is, of course, bhí sé. It was granmhar. It wasn't only granmhar though, it was bhí sé an granmhar, which means it was very funny. Well done.